For this entire series, we've been on a mission to find the best clever methods and hidden techniques to get free AI video. But what if the game has completely changed? What if instead of just finding a tool, you could build your own? Today, I'm introducing you to a brand new experimental tool from Google. It lets you build your own custom AI apps with just a simple text prompt. I'm also going to show you another completely free and unlimited tool for creating and animating images that you're going to love. This is a big one. Let's get into it. Alright, first let's start on the computer screen. As you can see, the email I'm using is a simple standard account that I just created. This means it's not a pro account. It's a simple regular email. Now I want to clarify one thing. This is for people in the USA. So if you are in the USA, you won't need any VPN. But if you are from the USA and currently out of the country, then you will need a VPN. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say here. So you simply need to turn on your VPN. I would recommend NordVPN. Many people in the comment section have asked me which VPN I use because they face a lot of issues with their VPNs not working correctly. So I will always recommend NordVPN to them as it's a great option. I have never faced any kind of issue while using it. I have also provided a link for it in the video description. If you use that link to buy any of its longer plans, you will get extra 4 months of its subscription for free. The link is in the video description. Here you need to search for Opal Google. When you search, a website will appear with the experiment tag. You need to open Welcome Opal Experiment. As you open it, I should mention that this is an experimental tool from Google. Once it's open, a window like this will appear. Simply sign in to Opal. As you sign in, it will open up, and you'll need to log in with your normal Gmail account. When the option appears, click Continue. As you continue, it will process and you'll see a permission screen. Google Drive will ask for editing access. You need to click Select All and then Continue. It requests this permission so that any project you create is automatically saved to your drive. So now it's signing in and the interface has loaded. So what is Opal exactly? It's a platform that allows us to build mini apps using Google's own tools. Here I'm going to click Create New because I want to start a new project. It will take a moment to load. And there you go. The entire interface has appeared. Now all we have to do is provide a prompt, and Google Opal will build an app for us based on that prompt using Google as AI tools. I've provided a very precise and detailed prompt for you in the description below. Simply copy it and paste it right here. In this prompt, I've explained everything step by step about the kind of app we need. After pasting the prompt, just press Enter. It will take some time to build the app. As you can see, the app's structure has been built. The first node shows that we can upload a JPG or PNG image to animate it. And below that, we can also generate video from text. This means I've instructed it to create 2 models for us. Now I'll click Start. It gives the option to upload an image, but I don't want to do that right now, so I'll just press Enter. At the moment, I only want to generate a text to video. I've pasted my prompt and pressed Enter. I will also teach you how to animate an image, so don't worry about that. I will provide you with complete information on everything. Right now, I've submitted the text to video request, and it's generating the video. It will proceed step by step. And now, as you can see, our video is almost ready. Now I'll click on the App tab at the top to view it on a larger screen. Let me play it for you once. And there it is. It has created an excellent video for you. You'll notice this is a 1080p result, and there is no Veo watermark, meaning it's completely clean. To download it, click the 3 dots and select Download. As you can see at the top, my video has been downloaded. I hope you've understood that. Now let's go back to the editor. The refresh button at the top will reset all the settings. After resetting, I'll come down and click Start again. Now I'll show you how to animate an image. Simply click the Upload button and select an image. Now I'll press Enter. Here you need to provide a prompt for the animation you want. I've entered a prompt and will now press Enter. In the same way, it has started creating the video. This process takes a little more time than the regular Flow or VO, but it is completely free. Now as you can see, the video is ready. I should mention again that you can download it via the 3 dots. I'll go to the app view again, and you can see it has animated the image very nicely. Now I'll show you another method that many people aren't aware of. Simply go to a new tab and search for Google AI Studio. When you click on the link, it will open. Close the pop-up and accept the terms and conditions. Then navigate to the Generate Media section. Here you will find all of Google's tools that are available for free, including Lyra for music, Veo for video, and more. I will open Veo. Here you basically get V2 where you can enter your prompts. You have 2 aspect ratios available, 9:16 and 16:9. While only V2 is here for now, V3 is coming soon. You can also select the number of results to generate. Opal is incredibly powerful, but it's not your only free option. Next, I'll show you another amazing alternative using Meta AI. So what I'm going to do here is open a new tab and search for Meta AI. Once you've searched, you'll need to click on the first link that appears here. You'll need to create an account. I'll click on images below, and here I'll give it a prompt for the kind of image I want to generate. First, we will generate the image, and after that, we will animate it. Okay, so simply I'll give it a prompt, and after giving the prompt, I will press enter. Below this are its size and ratio options, which you can change. Now, as you can see, it's starting to create the images. It has created an image with a 1:1 ratio. So what I want to do is change its ratio. I'll copy the image prompt, and here I will paste the same prompt again. After selecting the images option, I'll paste the prompt here. I'll make some changes to the prompt, and after that, I'll select the image size and ratio from below, and then press enter. As I press enter, it will start generating the images again. This process is very easy and works quickly, so it doesn't take much time. However, you will have to compromise a bit on the quality. Its quality isn't excellent, but it's of a medium level. Now, below this, you can see a button for animate. When we click on it, it will animate all the images. This is completely free and unlimited. You have to compromise on quality, but since it's free, we can use it to some extent for our YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or Instagram Reels. And there you have it. Multiple new ways to create unlimited AI videos for free. From building your own custom app with Google Opal to using the power of Meta AI, which method are you most excited to try first? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to stay ahead with the latest AI tools and tricks, make sure you subscribe to the channel.